Hello guys, welcome to the last lecture of C# Basic course. In this lecture, we'll challenge you to remove duplicate elements from a list. Okay, let's dive right into the challenge. As you can see, we have a list of numbers with some duplicate elements. Your challenge is to create an application that creates a new list containing only the unique elements from the numbers list. Alright, take your time and enjoy solving this challenge. Okay, to solve this challenge, let's start by creating an empty list called unique numbers. Next, we'll use a for each loop to iterate through each element in the numbers list. Inside the loop, we'll add an if statement to check if the current number already exists in the unique numbers list. To achieve this, let's use the contains method. If it doesn't exist, we'll add the number to the unique numbers list using the add method. Okay, by doing this, we ensure that only the unique numbers will be added to the unique numbers list. Finally, let's use another for each loop to display the elements in the unique numbers list. As you can see, we use the for each loop in both iterations since we don't need to update any elements in these lists. Now, let's run the application to see the result. Okay, we have successfully removed the duplicate numbers from the numbers list and stored them in the unique numbers list. It's worth noting that we can optimize the unique numbers list by using the trim excess method to remove any extra empty spaces, because, as we mentioned earlier, this method helps manage memory usage. For instance here, before adding the first element, the capacity increases to 4. Before adding the fifth element, it increases to 8. Before adding the ninth element, it increases to 18. But this list has 9 elements, so the list has 7 extra empty spaces. In order to remove these extra empty spaces, let's call the trim excess method on this list. Now, after using the trim excess method, the capacity becomes 9. Okay, let's print the capacity before and after calling the trim excess method. Alright, let's run the application again to see what happens. As you can see, we obtained the same result as before, but we have optimized memory usage this time. Okay, done. See you soon.